Hey everyone, welcome back to the Everspruce Home Inventory app channel where we discuss home organization and give you tips and tricks on how to use the Everspruce Home Inventory app. If you're tired of living in perpetual mess, you are in the right place. Today we're going to tackle the 3 main reasons why our homes become chaotic, and most importantly, we're going to discuss how to fix it. Reason number 1, we have too much stuff. Ever feel like clutter is just taking over your space? Common issue. And the truth is, you can't clean clutter. The first step to conquering this is to declutter. Start small. Start with your fridge. Take out expired items. Clearing out space is not just about making more room. It's also about creating a fresh start. Reason 2, we don't know where our stuff is. Ever find yourself on a scavenger hunt for simple items like scissors? The problem here is our stuff doesn't have a dedicated home. Declutter, let's organize. Every item needs its own home or space. A simple way to start is using bins, grouping similar items together, and possibly using labels. This is where Everspruce Home Inventory app can make this process a lot simpler. Organization isn't just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency. Watch this video here to see how I use the flow method to keep my home organized. Reason number 3, allocating time for cleaning. Many of us find ourselves in a bind to promptly put things away after a project. Endeavors without cleaning up can lead to chaos. This is a habit that resonates with a lot of people. Try never leave a room empty-handed and allocate a specific time for cleanup. There you have it, the 3 reasons why your home might be in chaos. Declutter, organize, and create good habits for putting things away. Simple but powerful steps that can transform your living space to a haven of order. Share your organization hacks in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey of a more organized life. If you found these tips helpful, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy organizing!